Welcome to School Verbs. Today we learn 6 important verbs for talking about school: study, learn, teach, pass, fail, and graduate. These verbs help you talk about school life every day. Study means to spend time learning about a subject. You study English every evening after dinner. Learn means to gain knowledge or skill by study. She learns new words every day from her books. Teach means to give lessons about a subject to students. Teachers teach students math in class every day. Pass means to succeed on a test or exam. He passed his final exam with a good score. Fail means to not succeed on a test. She failed the science test and needs to study more. Graduate means to complete school successfully. They graduate next year from high school. Study is pronounced study. Common phrases are study English, study math, study hard, and study for test. Practice these phrases to talk about your schoolwork. Learn is pronounced learn. Common phrases are learn English, learn vocabulary, learn grammar, and learn by heart. Use these phrases when you talk about gaining new knowledge. Now practice using these verbs. Fill in the blanks with study, learn, teach, pass, fail, or graduate. Make sentences about your school life using these 6 important verbs. Remember the school verbs: study, learn, teach, pass, fail, graduate. Use these verbs to talk about school activities, tests, and finishing school. Practice them every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.